If your iPhone or Android phone is frozen or unresponsive, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to restore its functionality. Start by plugging your phone into a charger to rule out a drained battery. If your phone remains unresponsive, try force closing any frozen apps by accessing the Open Apps list and swiping the problematic app off the screen. If that doesn't work, restart your device by holding the power button. For some Androids, you may need to force restart by holding down the power and volume buttons simultaneously. If the problem persists, consider performing a factory reset, but be aware that this will erase all data. Finally, ensure you have backups of your important information, as a data reset will return your phone to its original factory settings.